Restaurant quality, perfect balance of crispness, juiciness of the chicken. Homemade orange chicken and fried rice, and this is how to make it. One of the best cuisines to share is Chinese food. Kaya today, we are making a Chinese feast for all of you. And ito siya, comfort food for me, ang Chinese food. And you see, I have a wok here dahil gagawa tayo ng fried rice. So ito, I'm just chopping my vegetables. At meron akong konting chorizo dito. Chinese sausage. Slice it thinly. And pinapainit ko talaga yung ating wok para magkaroon ng wok flavor yung ating rice. And I have here 2 eggs, which I will crack and beat. So we are making 2 dishes which surely your family will love, lalo pag may bata kasi manamis-namis yung ating ulam. We are making fried rice with orange chicken. Kaya may orange ako sa harap, di ba? I will beat this egg, bit of garlic, I grated ginger here. And let us start. Our wok is hot. Add our oil. Add our scrambled egg. Add our rice. And our vegetables. Everything together. A little bit of soy for color. And para maging malinamnam yung ating fried rice, ang ating Maggi Magic Sarap. It's going to be perfect. Simple. Add a little bit of shrimp. Chopped shrimp. Sesame oil to finish and a bit of chopped leeks. Pepper. And our fried rice is done. And we are preparing our fried chicken to make our orange chicken. So I'm using leg quarter fillets. Enough time lang yung paghanda natin ng oil para mag-marinate din yung ating chicken. And we will marinate our chicken to make sure na pati chicken, nood sa loob yung sarap, we will use Maggi Magic Sarap. So 1 pack is good for half a kilo. So I'm using half a pack. Yan. A little bit of soy sauce. Black pepper. And massage, no? Massage natin yan. Para manood sa loob yung lasa ng ating Maggi. And we will add a little bit of water. No? And now, we will add cornstarch. And flour. And a little bit of baking powder. If you have time, you can let this rest for a few moments. Now, it's time to fry our chicken pieces. Yan. Dapat properly hot yung oil. So, we will fry our chicken in like 2 batches. If you have time and you want to do an extra effort, you can actually double fry the chicken. So, it really becomes very crispy. And our first batch of fried chicken is done. Look at the color. We will set this aside because we want to double fry this chicken. And if you want to learn more recipes just like this one, subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Marami tayong recipes dyan. And very important, when you are frying between batches, diba, tinanggal na natin yung first batch, papainitin ulit natin yung ating oil, no? To make sure that the oil is heated back to the right temperature before frying your next batch. Second batch of chicken. So we will remove our second batch of chicken. Let it rest, and we will let the pan heat up again for our second frying before we make our sauce. Ito pa lang, ang bango-bango. Perfect fried chicken. So the first frying is to cook the chicken through. The second is to crisp it up para when we coat it with our glaze, crispy pa rin siya. Now we will fry our chicken the second time. Perfect. Oh, ganyan, no? Really hot oil. Let that crisp and cook until golden. And to create our orange sauce, we will start off with oyster sauce, a little bit of soy sauce, ketchup. You can use banana ketchup or tomato ketchup. Orange juice. I am just using the powdered orange juice. I will just use half of this. A little bit of vinegar. Kailangan ng vinegar to bring out the acidity. Sugar. Chili flakes. We will grate some ginger. Konti lang, no? Just to bring out the nice aroma of the orange. And slurry. Yan. Naka-premix na yung ating sauce, oh. Look at that, so easy to do. And our chicken is also done. Perfectly golden. Oh, look at that, beautiful. Restaurant quality itong ating recipe, guys. You can prepare this if you have visitors or a weekend lunch or dinner with your family. And we are ready to glaze our chicken. Just heat it up. So you can use powdered orange juice or real orange juice, but I will leave my orange for garnish. Now, heat up my wok. And ang sauce natin, napakadali. Oyster sauce, soy sauce, vinegar, orange juice. Mix to thicken up. A little bit more slurry. Yan. Thick sauce, oh. So, yung sauce natin, it has to be a little bit thick so that kakapit siya at it won't moisten the chicken too much. Dapat kumakapit ang ating glaze sa likod ng ating spoon. Toss our chicken in the orange glaze. Very simple. Perfecto. Ang sarap nito. And our orange chicken is done. Look at that. So beautiful. Perfectly glazed. Nice crispness. Let's garnish with some orange slices. And some spring onions. Yan, oh. Gutom na ako. Kaya natatakam ba? Eto. Kayang-kaya mong gawin sa bahay. Fried rice and our orange chicken. Mainit pa, pero I know it's going to be good. Masarap. Chicken pa lang. Juicy inside. May konting crisp. And yung sauce niya, perfect balance of the orange flavor, a little bit of tanginess and sweetness. Ang sarap. Gawin nyo na to, guys. And these are our recipes for today. Yang chow fried rice and orange chicken. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.